Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to join this stray bird event in Heartopia to complete the, of course, bird quest from Bailey J. But in here, I can't show the quest itself anymore because I completed it a while ago. But don't worry, the process is really simple. First, just set to the Bailey J to accept the quest. The Bailey J at the central square, this one, this NPC, and then after that you must join the stray bird event, and to join it is very easy. First, just head to the jump puzzle forest. In here you can also teleport to this catalog, this one. Just tap on stray bird event, this one, and then just tap on go, and then you will be teleported to jump puzzle forest, this one. And then you can see this device that used to start the bird watching event. Just tap on it. In here you have several options. In here, to join this event you can have several options. You can join an event hosted by your friends, or just join the event hosted by Bailey J at 4 p.m. every 4 p.m., or you can also start your own event. And to start your own event, just simply tap on this device, and then after that just tap on start stray bird event like this. And then in here you need to pay with 2000 gold. And then next just tap on confirm, and then after that you will start your own event like this. And then in here you can invite your friends to join. Just tap on invite on here like this, and then after that just wait the friends, and once everyone is ready just tap on start event, this one, and then just simply follow the bird watching activities until it's complete, until it's end. And after finishing the event, just go back to Bailey J and talk to her to confirm your class completions. And just like that, your, of course, bird class will now be complete. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.